Welcome to Techart, nice to have you here. So my name is Steven Ratz and I'm one of the CEOs. Techart was founded in 1987 and we are specialized on modification Porsche, all through the histories, all models. Especially we start also with interior, so craftsmanship is one of our most favorite things, doing special interiors, and then we went on with aerodynamics, more power kits, exhaust system, until we had the complete car to individualize for how customers like to have it, and which is not possible to order at Porsche. Today you will see all the special things, so the saddlery, the workshop. Also the carbon fiber production and plastic production. We do all the parts, most of them handmade, and how the Techart quality, which is one of our favorite things to be on the standard like Porsche or other OEM does, to show you how we do this and show you a lot of details which nobody would expect it when you see first-time Techart. So on the road today you will have three fantastic cars, starting with the GT3 RS, which you saw also in Geneva, where we have the presentation. So this is the car number 1 of 10. With 770 horsepower, with special carbon fiber parts. And the car will be amazing. We did a lot of things also on the interior to do some mixtures with materials. And I think also with the mixture of the interior we are a bit ahead of what is standard at the moment. Also you will join or have a test drive with our Rolf-Benz Cayenne, which is modified completely with aerodynamic parts from our side. Also exhaust and power kit. And you will see the fastest launch you've ever seen. We have a cooperation with Rolf-Benz, which is a high-level manufacturer in Germany. And so we use their materials in combination with our know-how of saddlery. And we did a special interior, which is, you can connect to the chairs we have in the showroom here. And also you will find on the back some color mixing, which is possible for this. And the third car you will have, it's our Sport Turismo, Panamera Sport Turismo, which have a complete Grand GT body kit. With what makes the car much more aggressive, and also with some details in the inside, which makes this car also unique. And one highlight will be the power we have for this car. So this is a hybrid car which is based on 680 horsepower, and we increased to 770 horsepower, and I think you will have a lot of fun this afternoon. So thank you for joining us, and I hope you enjoy the tour, and let's have some fun.